Months later, I'm finally sitting down to compile the last words from our trial semester of Populacity in spring 2010. First, you'll hear from Joe Cucci, who's going to describe what it's like to work with a group to perform in a dance troupe. And I believe that you'll find that it can apply to working with all of the other folks within the classroom and to collaborating within communities.
Like at first it was like, can we learn from each other, even though we all have huge egos and like really don't want to work with each other, kind of like why are we there? I guess I don't know. And then it kind of became, why are we there? And then like, what does it do for each of us? Like, what do we learn, and how do we grow from it?
So what we learn and how we grow from each of these things. Ideally, we work from the local to the communal to the universal, and ultimately we try to find some kind of meaning inherent within each of our sites that can also apply and thread throughout our lives in general and others' lives in general. Here are some more issues that students had encountered within their studies. The next gal will be Molly Brandt, who studied the SGI temple in the South Loop.
Through that, I've really seen that this idea that religion can be more of a mindset than a set of rules or things we have to follow to do right just isn't going to work anymore for our society and culture, and that we'll have to change and take from more sources and knowledge from different areas to actually accomplish what religion wants accomplished.
And once we've determined the different perspectives from which we can look at ideas, I think that we'll also find us returning back to ourselves with these ideas and learning something intrinsic to our own lives, as Rocio Robles does in her study of the darkroom at Columbia.
Basically just life in general, like how we should pursue what we love because of that reason solely, and not let anything put us down or discourage us, and just to make life easier on ourselves. I don't know.
Any last words?
Any last words? Peace.